Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about another JavaScript interview question that's very important guys. I faced it a number of times in my interviews. So let's discuss about the this interview question. So display the cards using the JavaScript DOM. So there are two screens I would like to display guys. So desktop screen and mobile screen. And desktop screen I will go to show the row, and the row should be set in the four columns, four cards. And if you're coming back to mobile screen you can show the each card, one card in full width of that one. Okay, so let's go and have a look, but this is very important entry question guys. And also what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it in the six um, um, cards, okay, in the JavaScript object, the array of objects, and that six cards I'm going to do it in to display the in four cards. I will go to filter it and display the in four cards, and I will go to show that one also how it is going to work out in that. Let's go and have a look in Visual Studio Code. Already I opened Visual Studio Code over here and display cards, and I created the folder. In this folder I'm going to create an index.js. In this index.js, what I'm going to do, just I will paste it in. Already I copied in somewhere else the card 1 and card 2 and card 3 and card 4 and card 5 guys, for the save our time. So we have the array of objects. So what I'm going to do using the DOM elements, and then I'm going to work out in work. So first I'm going to do, we have the window dot add event listener. In this add event listener is going to accept the two arguments. The first argument is load, the second argument is callback function, whatever you want to take it in with the lambda function. In this lambda function, after this is for the loading guys, first initial load you will go to work out this, right? So first what I'm going to do, the cards, okay, cards dot for each, okay, for each. If you don't know about the for each method guys, and just you can go and learn. I did the one of the crash course, JavaScript crash course. There I explained about the for each method, how it is working. For each it will take the three arguments. That arguments are the value, index, okay, and another one is going to take the array also. These are all the three arguments, okay. So is going to give, the first one is going to give the each element, and index is the callback function, right? I don't want all these two. Just I will go to keep it in value, and then what I have to do here, just I'm going to take the okay, method cards display, okay, that's the method what I'm going to, okay, otherwise cards article, okay, cards article. I'm going to pass this value. In this value, so here under this I'm taking this cards article, okay, the function. And the function cards article is sorry, it's the function and data, the value is I'm passing as a data. So now I'm getting the cards article. So that is the function, I got it, the data I have. So first step what I'm going to do, and before proceeding with this, I'm going to create index.html file. Index.html. In this index.html, what I'm going to do, how I'm expecting the output first. So here I'm going to change this document to cards, and then I'm going to call, first I'm going to call the script, right? Okay, script script src equal to index or js file, index.js file, and I want to close that value. And then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do first what I'm expecting over here, first the section, okay, the section. So class equal to, okay, the cards, okay, cards. I'm going to take it the parent element, and this parent element, one more parent element is the div class, and then I'm going to columns. In these columns I'm going to close this div. So what I'm expecting over here guys, I would like to show you. So here I'm expecting like this, okay, article. So this article should close article, and then h3, okay, h3 is like in the first one is the heading, Okay, I'm going to display the heading, and then paragraph. I'm going to display the article body. Okay, article body. So you can do it this one. Okay, this is the what I'm expecting, guys, to using the JavaScript DOM elements. So using this parent element, and then you can do it. And then now I'm coming back over here. First I'm going to call this columns. That's my parent element. So constant columns node equal to document dot get element by class name. So there are three things, guys, in JavaScript doc get elements. So one is get element by ID, another one is the get elements by class name, another one is the get elements by tag name. So all the time the class name and the tag name, there are plenty of class names, same class name you can going to repeat, guys. That's what in you have to take it in of 0, the first element, if you want to. If you want to second element of 1, of 2, or something is coming up. So here get elements by ID is the unique queue. If you want to take it in gets element by ID, but in I took it in here the class name. That's what I took it, the get elements by class name. Then that's my class of 0, guys. So now I hold it the columns node, this particular one, and then now I'm going to create article. Article equal to document. You know, right, how to create that element. Create element, using the create element. This create element will go to help you to create an article. Okay, this is the article what I got it. So here if you want to add in class for that one, article dot class list. Okay, class list equal to article. You want to add class. Okay, next I want to take it to constant h3, right? So there I'm going to display my heading and body. Body is in a different one. So here the h3, this h3 I'm going to take same thing, right? Document dot create element. In this create element, okay, in this create element I have the h3. Okay, this is the h3, and then here h3 dot text content equal to um, data dot heading. Okay, data dot heading, and constant equal to document dot create element. Okay, create element of p. Okay, p is the paragraph what I want. So here what I'm doing it in the same thing, p dot text content. This text content I want to display the data dot, sorry, okay, data dot only, data dot body. Okay, that's my body I'm getting. That's all, guys, for this case. And now I want to do append, right? And so I will go to append these two elements under the parent element. Another parent article is the parent element for these two child elements. So here is the append method is there. So I'm going to append h3, and I'm going to append article dot append this one, same thing to the p is, and I'm going to append. And this article I'm going to append to the columns node where it is here is there, right? Columns node. So I'm going to take that columns node dot append of article, right? So article I'm going to append, and that's all, guys, for this case. So I have everything, and now I'm expecting like this article h3p is coming or not, and then cards we can display later. Let me open this one, how it's working in under browser. See, guys, card 1 is coming, card 2 is coming, card 3 is coming, card 4 is coming, card 5 is coming, card 6 is coming. I don't want this card 5 and card 6. I would like to filter, as I mentioned earlier. So let me filter it. How I'm going to do it? Constant filter cards equal to so cards dot, okay, we have the filter method, guys. So the filter method, how this one is working. So filter is going to filter and return the value. Okay, so if you don't know about the filter, and I did the crash course for this filter method for the JavaScript, and if you don't know about that one, just go under that crash course, understand about the filter, and come back and learn about this one, guys. So here this one is taking the 3 arguments. So I'm going to take it in 2 arguments, value and index right now. But in now a value also is not required for me. I don't care about this value also. Okay, each value. So Justin, if you want to take it and take it, and there is no problem. The value, and then now I'm going to do here. So return, right, as I mentioned earlier, is going to return the value return. So index less than 4, that's what I want to, right? So only 4 cards only. Okay, so here I want to 4 cards. So here I'm taking this filter cards, and then I'm going to replace with this filter cards to this one. So now go and check that browser, and now see guys, 4 cards only, right? I've got the only 4 cards. Now I'm going to do the CSS right now. So I'm going to create in one more file. That one is the index.css, and then what I'm going to do here. So first columns. So I would like to take columns, right guys, there are 2 things you need to learn before jumping onto this. First one is the flexbox, so JavaScript flexbox, and the second one is you need to learn a grid. Okay, either one. Okay, either flexbox or grid, you should learn about these 2 guys, and I will go to do that one is another interview question. So if you want to tune in my channel, definitely I will go to do it, and I will go to cover in next week. So now what I'm going to do it, take that columns class, and then that columns class, there is a display flex display, right? The flex is there. In this flex is going to take the flex direction. Flex direction is by default row, guys. Row means is horizontal display, and columns means it will go to display the vertical line. So I'm going to do the flex wrap over here. So in this flex wrap, I'm going to take the wrap. Okay, so I got it this. So already here, if you're able to see, I added the class list for the article, right? So what I'm going to do, going to take this columns class greater than, okay, columns class is greater than article. Okay, article. So what I'm going to do here, I want to do it in display the proper CSS, margin 16 pixel, padding 16 pixel, and border radius is a 16 pixel. Okay, these 3 I'm going to do it in border radius 16 pixel, and the border is I would like to display in a 2 pixel, solid, and has 333. Okay, so I'm getting like this, and I would like to put in, okay, without width, and we'll see how this one is displaying, and this one is not coming straight away, guys. You need to add it under here. Go there and link okay, href, and then take that index.css and rel. Okay, rel equal to okay, style sheet. So then I want to close this one, and then go on have a look this, and then how it's working. See guys, how it is displaying very nicely, but is not sitting in the one place, as I showed you earlier. Is not sitting in the one place. See here, cards is very nicely is displaying, right? There is not sitting like that. So let's go and have a look for that, and how you need to display that. Okay, how you need to display that, and go to Visual Studio Code again, and go to index.css, and then just a very simple one, guys, just in 30% or 20%. I would like to take 30% with that's all. So it will go to sit in everything properly. So here, see guys, see card 1, card 2, card 3, card 4 is coming up as expected. Go and check in mobile how it's working in card. See guys, mobile is not working at all. If you want to go for responsive, if you want to go for iPhone 14X, if you want to go for iPhone XR, is not working as expected. You want to one card, you want to show the full length, right? That's what we are expecting for card 1, card 2, card 3, or something for mobile. So what do we have to do? There is a media queries, I hope you know about that media queries. If you don't know, I will do CSS crash course, guys, and then we can learn about there. Okay, first let me do in media query over here, and this media query, and then here maximum width. This maximum width is taking 800 pixel. In this 800 pixel, what I'm going to do, just I'm going to take the columns. As I told you, flex direction is the row for the by default. For that one is for if you want to show in the horizontal line. If you want to vertical line, you need to put in column, right? So column. So and also there is another change is there, that is a very minor change. That one is, take this article and then what I'm going to do here, here in this case, width is percentage, okay, width 100%. Okay, so here, yeah, that's all guys. So width is 100%. Now I'm going to do here, so here is coming up, see guys, so how this one is working. So let me responsive, not pretty sure why it's coming like this. Okay, this taking in very big length, so you need to handle that one. So you can increase or decrease the width of this one, and then it will work out in as expected guys. So now the output is displaying as expected guys. So now is each card is sitting one card in full length of this iPhone. So if you want to go for iPhone XR, and if you want to go for iPhone Pixel, and if you want to go for iPhone Float and everything guys, so you can decrease the width guys, and then it will sit properly, and then you can do it in this width, you can change it accordingly how it is working. But don't put the pixels, REMs or something all the time, pass in percentages guys. That's all guys for this video. I hope you're understanding how to display the cards using the DOM elements. So I hope you're understanding something else about this JavaScript intro question, and we'll catch up in another intro guys. Bye bye now.